favorite videos to this day is the Guess the Celebrity.
Yes, Lapa. Remember it, Lapa.
So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Hey, it's Floppa and it's
Daddy Randall.
okay. So we're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna pull up pictures of celebrities. I'm gonna pop them on the screen as well, and then I'm gonna give my dad a chance to guess who they are. Daddy, most of these we've done already.
No.
So it's me bringing it back. So
Alright,
you should
Floppa.
remember.
Alright, shoot then, Floppa, for me.
Okay. So first and foremost, we're gonna use one that we used before.
Yes, Floppa.
Who is this guy? I'm gonna be popping up the pictures as well.
I remember Floppa. I remember Floppa.
No, he's not just. Who is he?
Floppa, me tell you, remember Floppa.
He's a singer.
Hasha.
Who?
Hasha, Floppa. Hasha. Hasha, Floppa. Hasha, Floppa. Yes, Floppa. Hasha. Yes.
Wait, what's his name?
Floppa, cool man, there's Usher.
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 Okay.
Mamma mia, is the biggest.
I can't. No.
Whoa.
Okay.
Take
Keep
your
it cute.
money, Floppa.
Okay, this person you know. I kept a few of them really simple so you would be able to guess. This person.
Jesus, I see no fan. Floppa, we never do the first one, Floppa.
No, not all of them. Like some of them.
Is there one of Jamaican, Floppa? We need him again, man. Jesus Christ. Floppa. Floppa, me no watch Olympic now, Floppa. Floppa, me no watch Olympic, Floppa. Jesus Christ, Floppa. I remember name, Floppa, but remember, me know him, Floppa. Jamaican come from.
Obviously he's from Jamaica. He has the flag on his chest.
Oh, Lord.
I made sure to choose a running picture.
Yes,
so
Floppa,
you
but no, Floppa, we can't.
no excuses.
Floppa,
No
Floppa, me pass man one, Floppa.
A soft power.
But we know say him, Floppa. Me say me know
Nothing.
Floppa. Say me know say him, Floppa.
Embarrassed.
Yes, Floppa.
Embarrassed.
So why never give me if I was man?
No, I'm not gonna give you.
Yes,
stupid.
yes,
I'm not
but-
stupid. Okay, so this person, I'm gonna cover up the name. It's
Shelly
a
and
non-
Fraser.
Who?
Huh?
No, I didn't hear what you said.
Shelly and Fraser.
No.
Floppa, me know what my young people know what me know.
Daddy, no, these are the OGs. These are not the newer people.
Merlati.
Oh no. Oh, but that was a good one though.
Floppa. Shelly and Fraser.
You already said that.
Floppa.
Veronica Campbell.
Veronica Campbell.
No.
Veronica Campbell. Veronica Campbell. Veronica Campbell.
Daddy, I already said
No,
that.
you said Ver.
No, I said.
No. You have to get that one, Floppa. Veronica
No,
Campbell.
I'm not giving you. You have 1 out of 3.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, this lady. This was in the previous game.
Taylor Swift.
Who?
Taylor Swift.
Okay.
Taylor Swift. Floppa. Hold that, Floppa. That man be fool like Canada.
Okay.
That Donald Trump. Donald Trump that. Floppa, Donald Trump that, Floppa.
So you don't know a Sapa Powell, but you know.
Donald Trump that.
Okay.
That man be fool,
How
Floppa.
about this guy?
That 50 cent. See,
Okay.
Floppa, see that person, 50 cent. 50 cent that, Floppa. You take me fool like Canada. 50 cent that, Floppa. 50 cent. Floppa, hold on, Floppa. Shoot, Floppa, shoot.
This person.
Jesus.
Catch the thief.
Floppa. I don't want that man, Floppa, man. Give me a hint, Floppa. Emily?
No. It starts with an N.
Nicola?
Nick. Oh my God.
No, I Floppa. Me pass, Floppa.
Nicki Minaj.
Nicki Minaj. Me know what my young people and young people
Nicki Minaj.
Floppa.
Okay, how about this lady?
Janet Jackson. Oh! She's Spanish. Jesus Christ. She's Spanish. She's Spanish, man. She's what pasang Floppa. And she married. She's divorced with the Floppa. Whoa. Floppa. She come from. I think she come from in Mexico from Mexico, Flapper. Jesus, Flapper. Give me one thing, Flapper. Me know. Flapper, you have to give me a thing, Flapper. Me know it's more.
The hint is she's not from Mexico. She's not Spanish.
Yeah. Flapper, me know her, man. She married, she divorced, she divorced.
No, it's
she
not
her.
her.
Flapper?
Do you give up?
Yes.
Beyonce. You're thinking J-Lo.
Yeah, J-Lo.
No, it's not her. Book.
Beyonce.
That's it.
Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna check your history. This is a very important woman in history. Woman in history.
Lady Parks.
Ooh.
She sit on the back of the bus. Lady Parks. She a Lady Parks. Something Parks.
Yeah.
What Flapper? She's right back of the bus. 19
She
Holland.
sat at the front of the bus, Book.
Yes. A Lady Parks. Something Parks.
Rosa
Parks.
Okay.
Flapper, cool man.
Put some respect on her name.
Rosa Parks. Flapper, me know.
I never said nothing.
I want to tell me things that you want to, me now tell say, you, when I want to food, me give you name, me say, you so important like she, you know. The next people will come up your road, Flapper. Yes.
Period. Rosa Parks.
Yes, Flapper.
How about this man? Another part of history.
Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King. Take your money, Flapper. Hold that, Flapper.
Okay, how about this lovely lady?
Jesus.
She's Jamaican, I'll give you that. That's something like it.
That I mean, can't pick up shit off Flapper.
Tell me when you give up. I am so wetting. Tell me when you give up.
Give up, Flapper.
Spice.
I'm going to know Spice and Spice are young people, Flapper.
Spice has been
Flapper. No.
Spice has been around long enough for you to know who she is.
No.
Then we have this guy.
No, Flapper.
Not even a guess?
No.
Jim Carrey?
No, it's fine.
How do you not know Jim Carrey?
Jim Carrey, man.
That's embarrassing.
Papa,
Okay, how about this lady?
Janet Jackson. Flapper. Janet Jackson, that. You see the one?
Janet Jackson.
No. But this is Janet Jackson, Flapper. You can't hold me that, Flapper.
Right,
Give me 10 marks for that,
No,
Flapper.
absolutely not.
Janet Jackson, that, Flapper.
Absolutely not.
Zip zap.
How about this girl? This lady, sorry.
Chick Barbie, she come from me, Flapper. I wish this thing at the center road. Jesus. Flapper. Jesus. Flapper. Give me one little bit of inch. Flapper, me know her now.
I know.
Me Flapper, me know her. She's from Barbados.
Yeah.
She there with the guy when the kind of when beat her one day.
Come on.
She had the most. She make the most money in the world, Flapper. Right now, the most money. But Barbados from Flapper. And she get out of the street, make her name of Barbados,
She
Flapper.
has a makeup brand. She
Yes.
has a clothing line.
Whoa. You can't.
Last name, Fenty. That's a brand. Well, I don't know.
Flapper. Me know her, Flapper.
Do you give up?
No, Flapper can't give it, Flapper.
Under my umbrella.
I mean what? Huh?
You are so dramatic.
Flapper.
10,
G.
9, 8, 7, 6.
And then G.
Five.
Flapper,
It
stop.
starts with an R.
Rihanna.
There we go.
Rihanna, Flapper.
Okay.
Flapper, Rihanna.
Okay.
Flapper, me shit, Flapper.
Okay.
Rihanna.
Okay, boo.
Take me for fool, Flapper.
Okay,
Flapper.
this is the last celebrity. The last one is somebody in our family. The last picture I have. So this is the last celebrity.
Stevie Wonder. Like not Stevie Wonder. Flapper, Stevie Wonder.
Oh, why'd you have to say blind man? Why can't you just say...
Stevie Wonder, that. Big singer, that.
I agree.
Flapper. Hold that, Flapper.
Okay, so this last person is somebody in our family.
Yes?
Yes.
Shoot it, Flapper.
Okay.
In our family.
Mm-hmm.
In our family.
Yes, Daddy. Last name is Daly.
Flapper, me don't know that one name answer.
You don't know her?
No.
Look closely.
Daily? In a few family?
Daddy, yes.
No, sir.
Tell me when you give up.
Give up. Bumbo. Flapper. Flapper. How you make me like that, Flapper? Jesus, Flapper. You see you? Flapper, Flapper, you know good, Flapper. How you make me like that, Flapper? Nobody looks like that in the family, man.
What do you mean? That's you.
With all the week there.
That's you.
No. Flapper, me have to sue you for that, Flapper. Flapper, you have to sue for that, Flapper. Why? No, Flapper.
Mommy said that's toughy enough for you.
No.
Okay, with that being said, thank you so much for joining our video. Until next time.
Randall say, Flapper no good. Flapper, cheat me. Put on fake man for me and say, I'm me. Comment and say if I really Randall that. Randall more handsome.
Okay, you look
right.
just like her.
So Flapper, cut Flapper.